thanks to, trading and actually seeing it, getting that withdrawal. And I was just like, oh yeah, money is not real to me anymore. You just feel more free, and now your mind is more free, and you can do more stuff. If you really want to change your life, like, just go all in. Like, you see me, I'm a real person. Like, you just have to take that leap of faith. Like, anything for you, man. You freed me. My advice is this: what you
So we should basically do this interview in a person, but unfortunately we didn't have a chance. So we're gonna do it in as an online thing, right? So
yeah.
for those who don't know you, who is Nate and what you do, where you're from?
So, for anybody who doesn't know me, my name is Nathaniel Toussaint, but I go by Nate. Um, I am from Miami, Florida. I started day trading maybe 5 years ago during the pandemic. Um, First year I was trading stocks. Then I stumbled onto forex, which I think is a little bit better. And then a friend of mine recommended me your group because I wasn't profitable the whole time until a friend of mine recommended me your group, LIC, and then I became profitable. But right now, what I do is, I trade and I'm a home inspector. So yeah, that's me in
That's
a
awesome.
nutshell. Oh, and I'm 24 years old. So I'm
24 years
24,
old.
home inspector for Miami.
And what transformation did you make in your trading?
Unprofitable to profitable, the transformation was really the strategy, the support that we got from you every week with the live calls, and I don't know, it was really the community, like really the group.
So the transformation all about was the thing in the group, like the
Yeah,
way that we cover the
the way that
psychology, strategy.
the psychology, the weekly calls, the breakdowns, everything. Like, that's what really that's where I really seen for the first time. Oh, this is what you need to do to make it as a trader.
And what was the biggest factor that allowed you to scale and became consistently profitable trader?
It's really just back testing so much where live markets felt like a back test section. Like, just understanding the strategy in and out to where it just feels natural. It feels like second nature to execute.
Great.
That's what really took it there for me.
So in your perspective, the back testing is so important, right?
Yes, 100% important, because when you back test and you collect the data, you start to recognize. I don't want to call it pattern trading. You start to recognize the logic behind
Mm.
everything, and once you understand the logic and you've seen it so many times, like I was back testing, like I went back like 3 years and back tested 3 years, so I've seen the strategy play out again and again and again, and it's burned into my memory. It's like burned into
Mm.
my so it in the live markets. It's just like, oh, I've seen this play out so many times. Like, okay, I can execute without hesitation because I know I've seen this happen multiple times, and over time, I'm going to be profitable.
And how you back test or collect data, like let's say, in a way that is going to be a habit in the live market? Do you have any specific way or method?
Yeah. So, I'll go back a month, and then I'll play out to my session. The beginning of my session, I won't trade till 9:30 Eastern time because that's when I notice that's when the volume starts to kick in for the session. So I will annotate, I'll mark out all my levels and everything, and wait for the PA, or see whether what just wait for the entry and just wait for the session volatility, because that's what I've seen happen, play out multiple times. But yeah, I don't know if that did I answer your
Yeah,
question?
yeah, that's just right. And do you think journaling the back testing is going to actually help to refine your trading plan in the long term, or one you can execute trade?
Yes, 100%. Even till now, I'm still back testing, even after I got profitable, because it's like you can always refine something with the strategy. You can always learn something. The market is ever changing too, so you have to have that adaptability.
And how much did you make after joining the program?
Yeah, I made around, like, before I joined. I was negative. Now, since I joined, I made around like 60 grand in 2 years.
2 years. Awesome, awesome. And how did that, let's say, amount from a single trade feel? I mean, that huge amount that you made, how much was that, and how did you feel?
So the biggest amount I ever made from a trade was 10,000, and it didn't feel real at first. I when I closed out the trade, um, it was just it was inevitable. I knew it was inevitable because I back tested it so many times, but I just didn't have that sizing, and that's when sometimes it could play a little psychology. But I wasn't watching it. I didn't watch the trade. I didn't watch the amount because I knew maybe since I didn't have that sizing before, it would close. I would probably close out a little bit early, and it just didn't feel real until I did it again, and then I did it again, and I was just okay. Now it feels normal.
And you did the withdraw, and basically, what was the first thing you did after that huge amount withdraw?
Um, First thing I did was I paid off some debt that I have, my credit cards. Buying funded accounts on your credit cards. Everybody trying to get the max allocations and buying multiple funded accounts. So the first thing I did was pay off my credit cards. Next thing I did was, take my girlfriend out, give her a little money. My mom, my dad, show them that trading is real. Now, how I look at money is totally different now, thanks to trading and actually seeing it, getting that withdrawal. And I was just like, oh yeah, money is not real to me anymore. It's
Numbers and a
just a screen and
screen.
a number.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome, man.
Mhm.
I'm really proud of you, bro, because I remember back then I used to do it with a call. I mean, I think 1 year ago, 2 year ago, and you was there. The first person joined was you in the weekly calls, and you always ask a question, and I completely
Mhm.
remember those stage, and I'm really proud of you, bro. And
Mhm.
if you had
Thank you.
to pinpoint one specific thing that changed everything for you, what was it?
One thing that changed everything for me was just I had to realize I just had to put in the work. I seen you as the mentor, you're putting in the work. You're answering all the questions, but you took that time out to in the background to actually learn the strategy in and out and completely understand it. Once I realized all I have to do is basically do the same thing you're doing and understand the strategy completely, I was just like, oh, okay. It's just it's just inevitable then. Like it's just a matter of time because it will happen. Once I completely understand the strategy, then the money will come.
Yeah, exactly. It's all about time, and putting the hard work. The thing, basically, you cannot
Right.
control the outcome. Only thing you can
Yeah.
control is income.
Only thing you control is how you execute and your strategy, how to execute the strategy as mechanically as possible, taking emotion out completely and just letting the rest do what its thing.
Awesome. And how did you feel when you hit 10K per month with trading?
Oh, it feels like a weight got lifted off my back. Like, oh my gosh, this it feels like freedom. Feels like it just feels you just feel so much relief now. You don't have to check your bank account for if you have X amount of dollars, if you can afford this or if you can afford that. Like it just you just feel more free, and now your mind is more free and you can do more stuff. Now I'm starting to get into a little bit of real estate. Like you have the freedom to do that because you have a skill that you can make money on demand. It just feels so it just feels so free. I can't even describe the feeling sometimes.
Awesome, man. I mean, I'm really happy. I mean, I'm really glad to hear the things, and because only few people made to that freedom, and when I
Mhm.
talk with those people, I mean, contribute, all of them says it's just about hard work and believe in yourself. you know. But the 10K is not enough. You should go with 100K, 1M,
Yeah.
2M. These are the next score. Awesome,
Yeah,
man.
yeah. Oh, trust me, they're coming. They're coming.
Awesome.
You got you scaling like right now. I'm working on my way to making 20K a month consistently. It's like a ladder. You know,
Awesome, great. So you're
player
on 20K per month
psychology.
right now, right?
Say it again.
Right now you're on a 20K per month.
Yeah, I'm working right now. I'm at like 15 for the month, but I'm working on the next five. But
Awesome,
I should get it within the next couple
awesome,
days.
great. And what's your favorite part about the program?
My favorite part about the program is really the community and just seeing everybody interact, everybody dropping charts, maybe answering a couple questions, interacting, uh, just with other traders, you know, and
Yeah,
seeing the struggle that you went through that somebody else is just now going through, and you could be like, ah, bro, don't worry, bro. If you just keep on the path, you'll get there.
awesome, great. Anything else about the program, like the way, the strategy way, the trade ideas, the weekly calls?
So the way you structured the program was amazing for me. From the homework, the phases, the weekly calls, the recordings, the questions, like especially learning the strategy with the phases. Oh, I the phases, and you have the funded challenge where you actually take funded, and we see your trades live and see you actually pass a challenge. That's what did it for me. Like I loved it. No, I never seen no other mentor ever do that. They'll just have funded already and take all their trades, but you actually say, hey, this is the trade I'm taking on my funded. This is how much I'm risking, and it's just like I can take a challenge with you. If I'm a new, I can take a challenge with you at the ass. You know, so yeah, that's what I loved about the way you structured your community.
Awesome. Awesome. And you mentioned you joined other programs in the past, right? And what was different about this one?
Um, yeah, I don't know, like the strategy was different, and like I said, you actually are there step by step by step, and you just the way you structured your program was just better in my opinion. With the homework, with the phases. Hey, make sure you get this concept down before you go to other concepts. You're not just gonna rush. Like people can't just rush through the course. You know,
Yeah.
like people have to take it. It's like school, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, and you're there the whole way.
Awesome. Great. And what would you say to someone who's on the fence about joining?
Oh, I would say if you really want to change your life, like just just go all in. Like you see me, I'm a real person. Like mind you, he did not pay me to say none of this. Like I'm a real person, and you just have to take that leap of faith. Like don't be on the fence, because the longer you're on the fence, the longer your dreams are, somewhere far in the distance. Just come join the winning team.
Exactly. It's all about taking action, putting the hard work,
Hmm.
basically seeing the result in time and
Hmm.
just be patient. And that's it. And what is your goal right now? You mentioned you want to scale and hit like 20K. You want to enter the real estate stuff. Okay.
Yeah, so my actual goal is 100K per month, but to get to that 100K, I gotta get to the 20, the 50, the
Exactly. The
70,
short
80.
term goal
So
I mentioned in the weekly calls. It's just going to be all step
mhm,
by step.
yeah, yeah, it's all just step by step. So yeah, my real goal is like 100K to 200K a month. But yeah,
Any materialistic thing like in your mind, like cars,
any
watches?
nah, living in Miami my whole life, like everything is cars, houses. You see everything. I done drove every car, just done been to all the mansions, parties. Like right now it's just really just um getting money for a family. Being a family man. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Being the man provider, right?
Just being the provider, because that anybody who hasn't come to Miami, you're gonna have a good time. Me, I lived here my whole life, so it's just like I was born into the good time. Right now I'm ready for the slow family thing.
I think I need to book my ticket like for the next week, right?
Oh yeah, come, bro. We're gonna have a good time. I got yachts for you. Anything you need.
Awesome, bro. Awesome, awesome. And any final words for the people watching from your deep heart, if you want actually give them one advice?
My okay. My advice is this: what you stumbled upon trading is the best thing that you could do. And my advice to you is take it seriously, because this will literally give you freedom. Like, there's nothing worth more than your freedom. Once you get this down, you will be free. And I can't even, like, the feeling you're gonna have, the liberation you're gonna have, it's just unmatched. You know, you get to take your life back into your hands, and that's that's basically, well, my advice. Like, freedom. If you don't want freedom, then I guess don't trade.
Awesome, man. I'm really appreciative for the time that you put in, and basically the advice that you put inside was really awesome, and I'm really proud of you, bro. Let's just keep continue. We have a
Thank
lot
you,
of work
bro.
to do. We need to hit the 20K, 25, 30K,
Mhm.
100K, and all of them are possible. All of them are possible. And
Yeah,
and
for
you
sure.
feel it, all of them are possible. The only thing, just be patient, the time, put the hard work, and focus on the thing you can control. You cannot control the, let's say, the trade outcome. You cannot control the price action. The only thing that you can control, trading is like life. I mean, I think you already noticed that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you cannot
definitely.
control the price action. The only thing you can control is the way you're going to follow your trading plan, the way you're going to open a
Hmm.
trade, the way you're going to control risk management, and basically you cannot control the price action, right? So that's
No,
out of control,
that's it. All you can control is you. All you can control is how you execute and your risk. Risk is very important.
and it's you versus you, and that's
It's you versus
that's
you.
all. Awesome, Nate. I'm really appreciate, bro. Thank you for your time, and I hope
Yeah,
we're
no
going to do another
problem.
interview in the next 3 months. They're going to say, "Oh, bro, I hit the 50K now." Well, we are there.
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome, bro. Awesome. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for your time, bro.
No problem, bro. Anything for you, man. You freed me. All right.
Awesome, man.